If you have one of these fine pieces of art, you might hear this noise. Step one to fixing the Samsung refrigerator when the fan goes out about every year and a half. Now that we got all the food out of here, we got to remove all these shelves. This shelf right here is the hardest one to figure out. There's a little button down here that detaches this part from this part. So let's take a look. It's right at the top here, a little button, and then it comes right out like that. Oh. Maybe I made it look harder than it really is. But then we just have to remove these and these. There's 3 screws to remove this back panel, and that's where the fan is that keeps causing the problem. So we just got to take out, actually there's 4 screws. We're going to take out these 4 screws and then pull that panel off. Unfortunately, the ice buildup is so bad in that panel because the fan went bad that now I need to unplug the refrigerator and let that thaw out before that panel can come off. Otherwise, you're going to risk removing the insulation from the panel. You can always put a little heat to it if you want to speed up the process. Once it warms up enough and the ice releases this back panel, you just look back here and you have the wires right there, and you just unclip those and remove this panel, and we will be removing that fan. Once you finally get the fan removed from the insulated panel, this part can be kind of tricky to get the actual fan out. You just gotta like push it from the back side here, and then it pops out. And there we go, $25 part. Everything's back together. Probably took me, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, other than letting all the ice melt from the other fan failure. Pushed back, turned on, done.